Welcome everyone to the webinar on how to create a university account. First of all, we will go to the link idm.uni-landau.de, and then you will receive this homepage. You can change the language to English. And before we start, I would like to note down some things. Please put on a paper in front of you your matriculation number that you received after your enrollment. Prepare a password with 10 to 15 digits with a capital and small letter, one number, at least one symbol. Also prepare a security question and an answer that you can remember in case you lose your password. If you do not remember the security question, then you could be out of the system. One recommendation is the mother's maiden name. It's personal and only you know it. Throughout the process, there will be a lot of text to read, so we summarize it for you in each step. Please remember your email address that you use for the enrollment and mind the spelling. So you will start now by clicking on Sign Up. Here you will write your matriculation number. And here you write your family name. And then you click Next. And here it says, hello, welcome, and this is your university ID. And here you can see your university email. Then you click Next. And here you already created your password, so you just write it down. And here, like they give you an example, mother's maiden name. Right, for example, Samira. Please remember this and note it down. Okay. And now you would have to insert your email that you used for your admission, and please mind the spelling. And then you click Next. Here it's just confirming that you do not misuse the information, the database for watching inappropriate websites, also for keeping your password and not giving access to strangers, and also not copying software and offered by the university to yourself. So you give your password again. And then it takes some time and it goes to the next page, and here it gives you the whole information. So please make sure to save this information here by doing a screenshot or a photo. And here is again your university email. Just add at uni-landau.de. That's it. Thank you for joining our webinar, and now you can go access your email through Zogo Uni-Landau. It takes some time usually to be able to log into your uni email, so give it at least 1 or 2 hours. But then you can log into your email and then open Clips and register for your courses and also use OLAT. Now you can also upload your picture and apply for a university ID card. Thank you for joining this webinar.